Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make an easy and a tasty eggless vanilla cake. To make this eggless vanilla cake, I've taken some curd in a bowl, add some sugar to it and then whisk it well till the sugar is completely dissolved in the curd. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check that out. Now add some baking powder, baking soda and some salt. Mix this well and then set it aside for 5 minutes. This mixture will become nice and frothy by that time. So this is after 5 minutes. If you can see, this mixture has become frothy. At this time, add oil, drizzle in the oil and keep mixing. Mix this well. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix this in too. At this time, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now place a sieve over the bowl and sieve in the all-purpose flour or maida. Combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Be gentle, don't over mix the batter. Just mix it till it all comes together to make a smooth lump-free batter like this. So our eggless vanilla cake batter is ready. To bake this cake, I'm using a 6 inches round cake tin. Grease the tin and line it with a paper liner so that the cake comes out easily. Transfer the batter into the cake tin and spread it evenly. Tap the cake tin on the counter to remove any air bubbles. And now bake this cake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Put a skewer in the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. So this is it, a very easy and simple, a straightforward, delicious eggless vanilla cake is done. This is one of the easiest vanilla cake recipes, but it always works out well. You can use this cake as a base for any of your fondant cakes or for birthday cakes as well. It always comes out perfectly. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.